Hello friends, be ready for legal passage. 3, 2, 1, start. It is further submitted that no offence under sections 307, 120b IPC is made out against the applicant as there is no evidence of conspiracy and the statement of co-accused is not admissible to be taken into account. Stop. The applicant is in jail since 24/8/2020. Stop. Next para. It is again submitted that it is not in dispute that when the incident in question took place, applicant was in jail and nothing is on record to show that applicant had participated directly in the occurrence. Stop. It is further submitted that after grant of bail, the applicant herein in the present case, shall never misuse the concession of bail. Stop. Para. On the other hand, learned AGA as well as learned counsel for the informant have contended that there is high possibility of threat and danger to the life and safety of the complainant and his family members, as the applicant is having long criminal history of 15 cases against him under various heinous sections. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the informant has also stated that from perusal of the statements of the informant and co-accused Asu Jat, Praveen said to have been recorded under section 161 CRPC involved of accused in the present case cannot be ruled out. Stop. The relevant extract to the statement of the informant said to have been recorded under section 161 CRPC is as under. Stop. Next para. The relevant extract of a statement of co-accused Asu Jat said to have been recorded under section 161 CRPC is as under. It is further submitted by learned AGA and learned counsel for the informant that on perusal of the aforesaid statements, it is very much clear that there is a specific allegation that the applicant has the conspiracy. Stop. Further, the antecedents of the accused motive behind commission of the offence, threat, perceptions of to the complainant and his family members also cannot be brushed aside. Stop. It is submitted that there is very likelihood that the accused, if granted bail, would misuse the concession of bail. Stop. It is submitted that there is ample material collected during investigation establishing that the applicant has hatched conspiracy and the applicant is involved in various heinous offences, and therefore, it would not be proper to release him on bail. Stop. Next para. It is further contended by learned counsel for the informant that co-accused, namely Aman Yadav, Ravindra Kumar Yadav and Praveen Kumar Yadav have been granted bail in case crime number 751 of 2017, by this court wide order dated 4/12/2019, which was challenged by him before the Apex Court. Stop. Apex Court wide order dated 4/9/2019 dismissed the appeal and directed to expedite the trial court and conclude the proceedings as early as possible. Stop. It was also directed that the accused must render complete cooperation on early disposal of the matter, failing which the facility of bail granted to them may stand recalled. Stop. Para. It is further submitted that in the second bail application of co-accused Amit Kumar Yadav, being criminal miscellaneous second bail application 16121 of 2020 Amit Kumar versus State, this court wide order dated 19/10/2020 also directed the trial court to secure the presence of the co-accused persons, namely Aman Yadav, Ravindra Kumar Yadav, and Praveen Kumar Yadav, and other co-accused persons, who were on bail and frame charges against them by the next date in the matter and proceed with the trial. Next para. Further submission is that the applicant has not yet surrendered before the court below, hence no charge has been framed against him in the matter and he is deliberately absconding. Therefore, considering the impact of his release on witnesses and innocent members of the family of the victim, this court should not enlarge a history सीटर ऑन बेल स्टॉप। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी आपकी ओरिजिनल जजमेंट फ्रॉम इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट। आई होप आप लोगों को ये मैटर पसंद आया होगा। सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा। अगर आप चैनल में नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। सो मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप वॉचिंग एंड बाय बाय।